Namaste students, I am Dr. Aziz Ahmed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic regulation of immune system, and the subject name is immunotechnology, and this discipline is food and biotechnology. The topic is related to the BTech FBT 12 trimester and BTech MTech FBT integrated 12 trimester. So immune response. What is the immune response? Immune response is the subject of a variety of control mechanisms which serves to restore the immune system to a resting state when the response to a given antigen is no longer expired required. So it is the response when an antigen enters to the human body and the cells of the immune system and the part of the immune system involved in the destruction of the antigen, and this is the immune response, and it is result of the antigen presence to the human body. And what is the immunoregulation? Immunoregulation is a balance between activation and suppression of effector cells to achieve an efficient immune response without damaging the host cells. So there are various factors which affect the immune response, such as the regulation of by antigens. Uh, the nature of antigen also influence the immune response. Suppose that the antigen is pathogenic, the immune response is more active. The size of the immune antigen also important. The smaller antigen shows exhibit low immune response, but when the antigen size is larger, the immune response against the larger antigen is more than the smaller one. Similarly, the route of administration of antigen can also affect the immune response. Next is the regulation of immune system by antibodies. So how antibodies regulate the immune system? They regulate the immune. They have important role in blocking the antigenic determinant, and they have important role in antibody feedback mechanism. This is the blocking of the antigen. Here one antigen enters, and this antigen is captured by antibody. When lots of antibodies are produced, then antibody itself block the other antibodies so that no more antibodies can be produced. Okay, the antibody is inhibiting its own production because there is no requirement of production of more antibodies. So these antibodies are regulating the production of more antibodies. They bind one antibody bind to the active side of the antibody and inhibit the production of more antibodies. Here, this is the shown here. They cross-link to another antibody, which results in the inhibition of B cell differentiation. And after this B cell differentiation, no more antibodies will be produced. Uh, Another thing is that inhibition by complexes. The immune system is also regulated by immune complexes in which Fc receptor of the B cell is cross-linked to the antigen receptor by an antibody complex. A signal is delivered to the B cell, inhibiting it from entering the antibody production phase. So this is the cross-linking of the antibody, that it is inhibiting the production of more antibody, and the IgG is involved in this process. Similarly, they are also involved in the augmentation process, in which antibody encourage the presentation of anti antigen to B cells when it is present on the antigen presenting cell bound via Fc receptor. In this case, complement receptor on follicle dendritic cells. Passive IgM may have this effect. So here, uh, this antibody is bound by antigen, and this antigen is bound to another portion of the antibodies. This results in the more and more antigens are bound to each other. This results in the regulation of the immune system. Now comes to the topic. The topic is actually the introductory part, which tell that how many processes will be involved in the regulation of immune system. The first is that cellular response, and the cellular response is generated by T cells. We are going to discuss this part in the upcoming lecture, that there are two types of cell, that Th1 and Th2, that are the helper cell, T helper cells, which have important role in the regulation of immune system. Okay, uh, so these two cells have important role in the both cellular immune response and humoral immune response. Next is regulation by MHC molecule. We are also going to discuss about this topic in the upcoming video lecture. Uh, how the MHC molecules regulate the immune response. They are also involved in the activation of T cell. Okay. Next is the regulation of immune system by cytokines. How there are lots of cytokines which are involved in the production of immune responses. These cytokines are the uh, protein molecules which are secreted by the cells, and these cells communicate to each other. After this communication, these cells trigger the activation of other cells, and activation of macrophages, monocytes, T cells, B cells, and these cytokines have a really very important role which are triggering the immune system, and they may also negatively control the immune system to suppress the immune system. So here our topic is over here. Next time we are going to discuss about the cellular response, that is the activation of T cells and B cells.